Have you ever pondered the age-old question? If a tree falls in the forest and no one is there to hear it, does it make a sound? Now consider this. If we don't take care of our forests, there will be no trees left to contemplate this philosophical conundrum. Sobering, isn't it? Welcome, dear listeners, to a journey through the green and blue heart of our world. Today, we're talking about Earth Day, a day of reflection on our impact on the planet and action towards preserving it. This year, Earth Day has taken a hard stance against one of our world's most persistent pollutants, plastic. With the theme, Planet versus Plastics, the goal is to reduce plastic production by a whopping 60% by the year 2040. It's like the ultimate weight loss challenge, but for the planet. Companies and organizations worldwide have risen to the occasion, among them Earth Day.org, focusing on reducing plastic production. It's a bit like a superhero coalition, but instead of capes, they wear sustainable practices as their badge of honor. In the spirit of Earth Day, the Pledge 1% movement, established by Salesforce, Atlassian, and Rally, is making waves. The initiative encourages companies to commit 1% of equity, time, product, or profit to philanthropic efforts. If a penny saved is a penny earned, then a percent pledged could be a planet preserved. Even as we tackle the plastic menace, Earth Day 2024 has set its sights on a lofty goal: to host the largest cleanup event in history. We're talking millions of trees planted through initiatives like the Canopy Project. It's a global spring cleaning event, but instead of dust bunnies, we're dealing with deforestation. In other exciting news, Time has revealed the 2024 Time Earth Awards, honoring individuals making significant contributions to climate justice and activism. The ceremony, set to take place in New York City on April 24th, is like the Oscars, but for environmental superheroes. To wrap this up, remember that every day can be Earth Day if we choose to make it so. From reducing plastic production to pledging 1% of our resources to philanthropic efforts, the fight for our planet continues. And as we plant millions of trees and honor those leading the way in climate justice, we are reminded that the sound of a tree falling in the forest is not as important as the sound of a tree growing, because that, dear listeners, is the sound of hope. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.